Hello student, welcome to my class of computer subject for class 10. In last video we have understand the accessibility options tab like keyboard, sound, display, mouse, and now we are going to understand the general tab. So let us understand what is the feature of general tab under the accessibility option. As you can figure number 8, here is figure number 8 which containing general option, IMC general tab. So general tab actually enables us to configure accessibility option for all user. All user mean to say the number of the user are there like admin, user, guest, or any other user may be possible as admin has created in your desktop or laptop or computer devices. So actually whenever we are going to enable the accessibility for all user, then we have to use the general tab option. Okay, so the select tab, after that window configure additional accessibility option will display like figure number 8. So there are three options will be there. So first option will say turn off accessibility feature after idle for all. Okay, it means to say it will automatically turn off, okay, when system is idle. That means to say no one is using for that, like whenever you start the computer and then after that you are not longer use it for a few minute or few minute to few hour. Okay, and second one thing, give the warning message when turning feature on. Okay student, so it means to say whenever the you are using some I'm to say programming, I'm to say you are doing the work with that, it will give you the warning message also. Okay, make a sound when a turning on or off. Okay, sometime it may be possible whenever you are going to start or stop the general tab option, accessibility tab option on and off, it will give you the sound also. Now you have to check this feature only one by one, you can see what will happen. Now we are going to understand the next part of this particular general tab, that is serial key. Serial keys, actually serial key is a accessibility feature for those student who are having difficulty to operate the keyboard or mouse or both. Okay, so they can use a special type of devices, okay, which control the keyboard and mouse. Okay, that is SIP, puff and breath switches. Okay, you can just underline this particular three words. These are the advanced what to say devices by which we can control our keyboard and mouse by switch, puff and breath switches. It is actually used to provide to computer through the serial port. Okay student, serial port like USB port, same way there is port. Okay, so by that we can control the input of the computer also. I mean to say control the all over controlling of keyboard and mouse. Here for example, sipping on the tube, okay, activate one device, while puffing on some tube activate another device. Okay student, so here are you can see a tube like structure you can see. So sipping and puffing in different tubes, it will activate different devices. Okay, and now how to apply it, let us understand. So first step, say that apply all setting to log on desktop. Okay, after log on the computer, and then after that we can apply all setting for that, and that can be used for apply configure accessibility. Okay, an option for user at logon. Now second one thing, apply setting, I'm to say apply all setting to default for new user. It means to say whenever you are starting this computer, any one user can access it directly, okay, by applying all setting to all new user that can use apply configure accessibility option and to all user using particular computer. So these two options are says that first step, I'm to say options shows that apply all setting to one person that is working with that user. Okay, suppose that I am a user, guest user, and I just apply all setting, so puff and sip and breath switches, okay, this function will work all together, okay, when I will apply all setting. And admin I'm to say administrator or desktop or laptop or whatever computer, he or she can apply all setting to default user. It means to say whenever any user is creating his ID as default member of the admin, then the all functionality automatically enable or apply for this particular person, okay. And after that, log in that computer, that person can manage his particular operations like sip and puff operation and breath by using breath switches automatically by configure accessibility option. So student, today we have covered only two particular topic of the day, which is journal tab of accessibility option dialog box and a serial key option of the dialog box. In this we have learned lot of very new information, like what are the sip puff breath switches for those person who are having difficulty to using keyboard or mouse or both. I hope you have learned well. Till then, thank you student and have a nice day.